Good evening everyone. First and foremost, salamat sa Diyos, salamat sa prayers nyo. So far everyone is safe. So far walang balita po na anyone got hurt from the gunshot. So let me update you. First of all, kalma muna lahat. Kanina po I was forced to manawagan through the Facebook because there's no other means of communication. Even now, I want to be in front of the Senate media, pero sinesecure pa yung ibang areas and I think they're downstairs. So, Secretary Remulla of SILG, of the DILG is here. General Aberin of the NCRPO are here. Secretary Teodoro called us and President Marcos called us, assuring us it wasn't government and kinakamusta kung ano takbo ng mga kung kamusta, kung nandito na si Sec John Vic and to make sure the investigation is independent. So I'm just talking to everyone to tell you, one, thank you sa inyong prayers. Two, we're here. Most of the majority senators are here. Senator Bato, dun sa nagtanong, Julbert Urbista, si Sen Bato is secured, he's okay. Aakyatin namin ni Sec Remulla, hindi siya arestuhin. Ngayon, they will respect the Supreme Court's decision of giving 3 days each na mag-comment. No? So, anyone who has information of what happened, anyone na nakakita dun sa mga nag-attempt pumasok at yung mga bumaril pabalik dito, please send us that information. Napaka-importante that the truth comes out and napaka-importante we don't jump into conclusions. I told you, everyone, dumating yung articles of impeachment. We don't want any speculation that this has any connection with anything, whether it's the Senate majority, whether it's the articles of impeachment, politics, personal dito. But this is the first time na nakaramdam ng ganito ang Senado. No? So we will report back through the media when we have time, but we're okay po. So sa lahat po na nagtatanong, no? But we will start the investigation. We will let people leave when we're sure they're not suspects and when everyone's safe.